Beautiful weather. It really was a very nice evening. A little chill to the air, but you know what? It's February. It's supposed to be a little cool outside. 56 degrees our current reading. The dew points are in the upper 40s. Now, this is not a humid air mass, but when our temperatures are getting close to those dew point values, humidity comes up. It's almost a damp feel to the air outside. And we're in the upper 40s at Bogalusa and Macomb, 50s elsewhere, and almost in the 40s at Slidell and in Hammond and elsewhere. So we will see us dropping 40s to low 50s, but we could actually see the temperatures come up before sunrise tomorrow because we do have a southeasterly wind. So that is increasing the humidity, and that could do enough to kind of also bolster those temperatures a bit before 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. As well as we'll be watching our cloud cover increasing. Already getting into the clouds at Lafayette and also starting to see the rainfall move in almost to Lafayette. Now these showers very, very light, but just an indication that we're already starting to see that rainfall move into southwestern Louisiana, and we will likely see some scattered showers to begin the morning tomorrow. So don't be surprised if you're out on the route tomorrow morning that we may see a few passing showers. Heaviest rain though comes in later in the afternoon and evening. Then we're dry, and actually it looks like maybe more sunshine during the day Sunday, and then more rain coming back toward the latter part of next week. So here's kind of how the breakdown is for that final stretch to Mardi Gras. Not deep gras. We're dry on Wednesday. May see a 20-30% chance for a few passing light showers on Thursday and Friday. That rain chance does look to pick up a bit more for Saturday and Sunday. Neither day right now looking to be a washout, and what rain we would see on Saturday and Sunday not looking potentially or likely very heavy, and also not an all-day rain, but figuring out the timing this far out is very, very difficult. So just this is how the forecast seems to be shaping up, and it does look like we could see a front to move through, bringing in drier, cooler weather for Lundi Gras and Mardi Gras. If you remember last year, Mardi Gras Day was the warmest on record, hitting 83 degrees, but it was also later in the season. Here's the upper system that is bringing in that chance of rain, starting to take shape out over the desert southwest, and as it continues to move our way and kind of strengthen a bit, that's what will send those heavy showers and storms for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Now the line will move through quickly, but this upper low will persist into Sunday and Monday. Does look like we get some wraparound drier air on Sunday, which is why I think we'll see more sunshine, and then we'll probably bring the clouds back briefly Monday before this system finally moves out. Looking at the long range toward the middle to end of next week, we start to pick up that southwesterly flow aloft. That's what starts bringing back the clouds and rainfall, and that's why we're kind of leaning toward a wetter part or wetter trend toward the end of next week and the following weekend. We'll see if that continues for Mardi Gras. Right now, some of the models do have, though, a front pushing on through. Rainfall starting to set up out over East Texas, and that's headed our way. Again, some scattered rainfall to begin the morning tomorrow, so we are not going to be completely dry for those morning parades, with the heavier storms by the afternoon and evening, and hopefully the parades are already kind of winding down before some of the heaviest of those downpours get here. Good news is, again, after 8, 9 o'clock, most of the rainfall pushing away, so then it does look like by late Saturday night, we should be on a drying trend, and then mostly dry for Sunday. Will keep us dry on Monday with maybe, or mostly dry Monday with maybe an isolated shower chance, about a 20% shot, and that looks early, so we do have a parade on the West Bank Monday evening. Looks like it'll be great. A few showers back by the end of the weekend. Again, keeping a close watch as we get closer toward next weekend.